right, today is a big day because today is my last official working day. So I'm going to the office right now to turn in my credentials, such as my badges, my tools, this van that I've been driving for a couple years now. So full honesty, it's kind of a bittersweet moment right now because I'm gonna miss the guys that I've been working with. I've been working with them for 6 years. You know, you really got to know them and how they work. We work well together, good teamwork and everything, good management. But it's just time for me to move on and do other things. And if I'm being honest, it's really scary to start your own business and go out on your own, because if something goes wrong, you have no one else to blame but yourself. It's just me. No one else can save me out there, you know, it's just me. But at the same time, I really thought about it. I would have hated myself more regretting not trying, you know, having that regret for the rest of my life of not trying, of starting my business, because I've been thinking about starting this business for a long time now. And I finally did about a couple weeks ago, and today is my last day after putting in my 2 weeks. So let's go. Keep you guys updated. Wish me luck.